What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be working on get a little pen set up for our chicks we just ended up buying. That hopefully will grow and have some eggs, you know. Last time we had chickens, we had like 40 something. All died in like 3 nights by a raccoon or a fox or whatever it was. But yeah, we're just gonna be trying to do this, so let's do it. Guys, for starters, obviously we did buy 10 chickens and we got kind of an assortment of them. But here's the 10 little chicks right here. But we had to buy some other stuff. Like I needed a new little red heat lamp. I just bought these because I liked it. Bought a new heat lamp shell, new little feeder. I had to get some quick starter grower, but I also had to get some bedding and this complete adult dog food because Vegas and Blondie eat a lot. So let's get it. So now we need to find a box to put them in because they're too small to put in the starter coop. So I'll wait till they're, you know, a month old, 2 months old, and then I'll put them in there. But for now, we just need to find a tote. So I don't know, we'll just look. I think this black tote right there is pretty good. Should be big enough for them. Really, nice thing, don't have to be that big. This tote should work just fine. Let's grab it. We need to take our tote and we need to hook up the air compressor and wash that crap out. So let's get it going. We'll grab our little guy up here. Hose. Then we'll just blow her out. Gotta watch the eyes, man. That's gnarly. Let's just take this baddie over there and we'll get started. First thing we gotta do, lay down some of this horse bedding. Yeah, it's horse bedding, I know that. But horse bedding comes a little thicker and works amazing. So we're just gonna lay in a light layer. Nothing too heavy for when they're really little, but just enough of a layer to make it smooth. Now, my bedding looks about this good. Nothing too thick, but a good little layer there. That's when you're gonna go ahead and get the rest of it put in. So let's do it. So now we're gonna start. Let's take the box and we move it over here. Just to kind of get it over out of the way. Then we gotta open these still, so we need to untag those and everything. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take all those accessories that we had to buy, all those right there. Sorry about the camera. and we're gonna put them in the box. So we'll start with like water. We're just finding a good placement for them right now. So but normally find like a spot. We'll put like water over in this corner. And if you do water in a corner, you can do your food trough kind of over like that. And then our light will probably stick on this edge right here. So we're gonna move this over and find a spot to plug it in. So tiny. That's one, number 10. Well guys, as you can see, we got the pen set up, just a little tote. When you only have like 10, you know, at a time, a nice tote works. I mean, it's just easy. Get it set up, super easy to maintain, clean it out like once every couple days and you're good. But yeah, I hope you guys liked. Hopefully you like these farm videos. If you like the farm videos, definitely comment, tell me you like them, and like the video because that'll support me in making more. So just let me know guys, and I'll keep you guys updated. Peace out.